Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about this prestige electric kettle that can be used for boiling water, for boil your milk, or for your tea or coffee or green tea or anything else you want to do, that can be boiled in this device. Now today we are going to letting you know that how you can use this device, how to control, how to set up, anything else what you want to know. It has a user guide, but we never use or see that, and we want to just watch a video and then we want to sort out all the problem. Then what we have to do, we have to just do a thing that it has a platform below that, and with the electric cord you have to just plug in that cord and switch on the electricity, as you can see in front of you, and that platform should be placed on a plain surface wherever you want to use. Now what we have to do, we have to just pour water or anything else we want to use, like milk or coffee or anything. Material should be poured in this kettle, and after that close the lid of this kettle. Now you have to just place that electric kettle on that platform which we already installed, and then we have to press the on off button from the handle, and the light will start blinking over there, and that means light blown, that means your device is just working. Keep in mind that if you are using milk or tea along with milk, then keep in mind that try to open it fastly after just 30 seconds or so on, because it can be dangerous for if you keep close that lid over there. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. If you want to buy this product, link is in the description over there.